How did a sudden blizzard spark a telephonic revolution? In 1888, an unexpected blizzard, known as the Great White Hurricane, struck the eastern United States, paralyzing cities and trapping thousands in buildings. Amidst the chaos, an editor of the New York Times had a groundbreaking revelation: the need for a community-wide communication system to save lives in such emergencies. This moment of clarity amid calamity ushered in the idea of a dedicated telephone alert system, laying the groundwork for modern emergency services. Take the leap. Sometimes adversity is simply the mother of innovation. Want to hear more tales of ingenuity? Follow us for more insights on history's game changers.